This right here is why you haven't seen many videos from us and a whole lot more shorts. It is disgusting out here. I don't know about you, but I do not want to be working in this. We do have the shop. It's a little full. I could pull the Civic out and get some TikToks out here, but this is why you haven't been seeing a lot. It's nasty out here. We got to do an O2 on this because it keeps flooding the engine with fuel and throwing codes. We finally jumped the OBD1, read the codes, long blinks, short blinks, the whole nine. O2 sensor, we got one. We're gonna do it. Eli's doing an oil change on the Golf, and then we'll do that. And then I have to go up there and grab my spare ECU because we're switching it out for a Hondata for this thing, finally. My spare ECU could be in here, could be in here, could be up there. I don't know. We're gonna have to find it though because I'm so excited. We finally get a Hondata with this. We can plug in a laptop. We finally have a Civic with a laptop. It's gonna be good. I think they might be in here maybe. We'll see. Oh yeah, not fuck. We got a P06 here. We found the P06, baby. We're trading this in for a chipped, I don't know what kind, but something with a S300 V3 in it. So Civic's gonna be tuned.
And also I found out Volkswagen does the walnut blasting.
Oh yeah?
For cheap.
For sure.
It's not like as expensive as I thought, but I was looking into it. I might be able to clean it myself.
Really?
Yeah, it's not actually as bad as I thought.
Do it, man, do it. I'm getting a breather box set up for the Civic.
Yeah.
There's instead of drilling out the front of the valve cover and having those two big AN lines come out of it with the welded AN bungs, there's this oil cap by level 7 that has two huge bungs on it, and then it goes to just a massive breather box. I got it ordered up.
Nice.
And then I got to replace the purple rad stay, the purple dress up, and then the purple lower control arms on the rear gotta go because I'm going full skunk 2, control arms, strut bars, the whole 9. He's gonna be sick. Haven't checked on this engine bay in a damn minute. Let's take a look at the B16. Oh, I miss this thing so much. I miss this thing so much. But that's gotta go, the purple, all the purple dress up, and the oil cap, gone. Blue plug wires, gone. Blue filter, gone. Everstart battery, probably relocated up to here so I can put my huge breather box there. Needs a new brake booster and master, and new axles, engine mounts, Hondata, turbo kit, skunk 2, rad, instead of this cheap Chinese one. And oh my goodness, this bay just looks so good. I don't want to clutter it up with a Chinese turbo kit, but at the same time, I want to go fast. I need to steal this box that has the spare cord mirror in it to ship off the Hondata because I don't want to buy one at the post office because I'm a cheap ass, and Hondata was expensive enough even with the ECU cord. So I'm going to rob this box and this bubble wrap and just put this mirror over there because it doesn't even fit anyway, so who gives it now? Nice little makeshift tripod out of boxes. So this is the mirror from Rock Auto. None of the bolt holes even come close to lining up, even though they kind of want to. They don't. So I'm probably going to rob the glass out of that. But the ECU fits perfectly in that bubble wrap. Too easy. And we'll grab this. ECU right in there. I just got to tape it up a little bit better. Bing, bong. Bob's your uncle. ECU shipped off. Hondata shipped to your boy. This can go in there to go to the post office later. Okay, and then we got a nice package from your boys at Rock Auto. We got a Denso O2 as well as an O2 puller. So let's get this open and get it on the car. Okay, boom. Denso O2 for the Accord and a nice little O2 puller. Should make the job a little bit easier than a wrench, an open-ended wrench. So see how it goes. That was close. Dude, that was close.
What the fuck?
I think I'm gonna need to jack the front of this up. That's too low. I got her out, baby. Hell yeah. She's out. Here, now I'll trade you. Oh. Okay, new O2 sensors in. That went smoother than I thought, so hell yeah. Let's reset the codes and, I don't know, drive it, see if it works. Okay boys, so the O2 is in. Now we're just gonna reset the codes, which I think is a fuse there. And then we're gonna fire it up and make sure everything's good to go. Okay, look at the Sven diagram.
It's the Sven diagram. Alright. Should be that red one.
You think?
Fucking right.
Why?
Because 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 7.5, 15, 15, 10.
Oh, so you're pulling the ECU one?
Hella.
Oh, okay.
Reset it.
Reset it.
I don't know if I can do this with my little fingies.
Okay, I'll do it.
10.
Red 10?
Red 10.
Hopefully I don't break it with the pliers. I think we have more.
Oh, friggin' rights we do.
So,
baby.
you just put it back in?
Yeah, I'll just leave it for 30 seconds, like, you know when you unplug your modem? I don't know if you actually need to do that, but better than not.
Okay, so that should reset the codes, I guess. Fuck, OBD1's weird as. LZ CRX is hot.
So clean.
The VTEC poppin', dude. Mine better sound like that when it's on Hondata, I tell ya. Okay, let's start this thing up. Does it work? What the fuck? It started quicker than it's ever started before.
Beautiful.
Didn't even do spark plugs.
She's a new car.
That started way quicker. Why is it like low-key running smoother too? You don't hear any valve tick anymore. I literally bought everything to do valve flash and now I don't even hear it. Okay. This thing is running smooth as butter, boys. I'm excited to see if the O2 throws it because the hill that we have to go up to get to the post office to ship off the ECU is the notorious hill that's always made this thing throw engine codes. So we're gonna see if it does it again, but I really can't wait to get a Hondata on this thing. It should be here within the next couple of weeks and I am so pumped to sit in this car with a laptop plugged into it, fucking with shit. I just can't wait. And then come springtime, we're going on the dyno, baby. First dyno session on Brash Garage. I'm so stoked. And then boost. Also, boys, I need a rear strut bar, a front strut bar, because I don't have those. And then on the back here, if you guys remember, we have those purple gusseted lower control arms. I want to swap those out for Skunk 2 polished ones with the sub hoodies. And that'll be minty. And then we need a test pipe, AFR, to pair with the Hondata. We'll get it tuned in the spring, and everything should be sick. But with that being said, boys, we're probably gonna wrap up this video here. It was a short and sweet one. Little update on the Civic, update with the weather and why we haven't been uploading videos as much and uploading more shorts. Also, YouTube's pushing shorts right now. They've been doing really well. Let me know in the comments if you do like those shorts because I'll keep posting them. Follow us on TikTok and Instagram at Brash Garage. O2 sensors fixed. If it didn't actually fix the issue, I'm sure you'll see another clip after this. So hopefully it's an outro and not me bitching that it didn't fix anything. Peace.